Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Malar. Most welcome you all on my YouTube channel Enjoy Literature by SM. In this particular lecture, in this particular topic, I will discuss use of has, had to, have had to, and had to. Before going to start this topic, I would like to request once to all of you, please do subscribe this channel and share more and more. Yeah, in my previous video already I had discussed the use of has to, have to, had to, will have to, shall have to, and before that I was discussed has, have, had, before that I was discussed this, those, before that this and that. And in this lecture I will discuss has, had to, have had to, had to. I know that you will think that is this huge? You will think that what a huge here. This is very important use for the English learner. This is very important use for the beginner and also all those who don't know about this use. You just solve such a kind of a sentence easily. You may wrong also, but we know the exact use. You may not wrong here. Okay. So let me tell you about has, have to, sorry, has had to, have had to, and had to. In saying, you will feel some tough, but really this is very interesting one. I hope you will enjoy this. ओके चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं. लेट मी कम इन टू हिंदी बिकॉज फॉर बिगनर्स यू आर नॉट इंग्लिश लर्नर, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर इंग्लिश लर्नर बट यू डोंट नो एग्जैक्ट वन. ओके सो अब हम बात करते हैं ना हिंदी को लेकर के. देर आर सो मेनी सेंटेंसेज लाइक मुझे यह काम करना ही है, तुम्हें महाविद्यालय जाना ही है. यू नो ऐसा होता है ना कि आपको जब कोई चीज़ बोला जाता है कि नो तुमको ये काम करना ही है, तो मतलब ये होता है ना हाँ हाँ करना तो पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं. मैं आपसे बोलूँ कि कल तुम्हें विद्यालय जाना ही है, तुम्हें खाना खाना ही है, तुम्हें गीत गाना ही है, तुम्हें पढ़ना ही है, तुम्हें लिखना ही है, तुम्हें सोना ही है. ये तो कोई बोलेगा नहीं सोने के लिए, है ना. तो ऐसे वाक्य जिस हिंदी वाक्य के अंत में ना ही है और ना ही था आते हैं, वहाँ पे इसका प्रयोग किया जाता है. आई नो दैट दिस यूज इज गोइंग टू वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. फॉर मी ऑलरेडी आई एम हियर टू एंजॉय माई सेल्फ. ओके लेट मी टेल यू यूज ऑफ has, have plus had to. Okay, and had plus had to. You will say what kind of use is this one? Is this really use or am I going to teach a wrong one? No, I'm not going to teach you wrong one. This is really a use, that's why I told you this is interesting one. Okay, at the first time you will found this use as per my conscience. Okay, let me tell you definition. I already said you don't go on my handwriting, just go on my words. What am I going to teach you? What am I speaking here? जिस हिंदी वाक्य के अंत में, जिस हिंदी वाक्य के अंत में ना ही है, ना ही है या था आदि शब्द आते हैं, आदि शब्द आते हैं, इसका प्रयोग किया जाता है. राइट भाई देखो मैं पहले से बोलता आया हूँ कि मेरी हिंदी यार मतलब रियली पुअर वन. हिंदी के पीछे मत जाना भाई, जस्ट गो ऑन माई वर्ड्स. वी आर स्टडिंग हियर, आई एम गोइंग टू टीच, आई एम टीचिंग हियर use of has had to, use of had to, use of have had to, and in this use only we will use only for such a kind of sentence where in the last of the sentence this word will come. Which word? ना ही है और ना ही था. Okay, just like we can say here, मुझे खाना खाना ही है, तुम्हें कल विद्यालय जाना ही था, सीता को गीत गानी ही थी, महेश को हमारे साथ कल उस बगिया में फूल तोड़ने के लिए जाना ही था, बट नहीं गया. ओके, let me tell you about the structure of sentence of this use. Structure of sentence. Okay, when do we discuss about the structure of sentence? That's here I am going to draw the structure of the sentence of this use. Like here will be your subject plus has oblique have oblique had. Sorry, not oblique here. Here will be your oblique. Oh, that one plus had to plus verb first form plus object. Okay, let me tell you an example of you. Like we can say an example. मुझे गीत गाना ही है, अब्लिक था, बट गाया नहीं है कि नहीं, आता ही नहीं है. चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पे कि स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेंटेंस इस यूज को लेकर के. तो इसका स्ट्रक्चर सेंटेंस होता क्या है? हाउ विल आई ड्रा? फर्स्ट वन यू विल बी सब्जेक्ट. Subject always problem for the past present tense, not in past tense. Past tense is easily one, subject कुछ भी हो एक ही होता ही है कि नहीं? तो in subject when already I told you in when I was teaching you job has to, have to, had to, will have to, shall have to. I was told you all that with the singular subject we will use singular helping verb and with the plural subject we will use plural helping verb. If subject will be singular and if subject will be plural, any subject will be this one, any subject. Okay, so after that we will use this use and verb first form, that after that will be your object. So here मुझे गीत गाना ही है, I will be your subject. After that, what will you use? I have to, I have had to sing a song. राधा को गीत गाना ही था या गाना ही है, तो राधा हैज हैड टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग. You will feel that this is wrong one, but this is really right one. Yeah, so don't go for that one. मुझे गीत गाना ही है, I have had to sing a song. तुम्हें वहाँ जाना ही है, you have had to go there. मुझे खाना खाना ही है, I have had to eat the food. महेश को गीत गाना ही है, महेश has had to sing a song. हम लोगों को कल विद्यालय जाना ही है, we have had to go to school tomorrow. है कि नहीं? This is so simple use. If you just use your mind once, you will get it. Yeah, and I hope that you will have understand this use. And next, I hope this is all from this one. And this is really so much beautiful use. You will not be found in grammar portions also, as for my conscience. So must remember this use and just use in your daily communication. You may learn a lot of things from me. Okay. So thanks for watching this use. I hope that you will have understand. And before ending this video, I would like to request to you all that who hasn't subscribed this channel, please do subscribe this channel, share more and more. And one more thing is that who hasn't watched my previous video, please go to my channel, and there are so many lectures. and use and basic use. Just watch that and you will find some good things, some good materials that will really help you much. Yeah. And who hasn't joined my Telegram channel, who hasn't joined my WhatsApp group channel, already I had given in description box all the links, so please go through that and join that. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.